Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another video. Because you ask, I'm back with a bottle of lipsticks, and because you asked about the Sephora kit that I have in my giveaway, we're gonna try those three lipsticks that are here, because I'm gonna film anyway my samples of the week after this video. Let's try a lipstick before. So in this kit were three lipsticks, and let's see which is the first one. Looks like the first one is the Tom Ford, and this is a beautiful lipstick. The formula, it's amazing. I tried this one before in another color, probably another 2 or 3 colors, and I have to say that wears amazing. So not quite the most affordable, because as far as I know this one is $55. I don't have the prices with me, but I will leave on the screen the price for the full size of each item of each lipstick. So let's start with this one. Here is the color for this one, and this one is called, it's in the shade Casablanca. So here is the Tom Ford. As usually, I will try to close the image to get a closer look. So here is the shade for this one. Let me swatch this one on my hand also. As formula, it's very creamy, applies very easy, and the very pointed tip helps to contour your lips also. From my experience with this one, it will last a while, especially if you don't eat or drink. It's a great one. So here is the color, the shade Casablanca. It's a pretty nice everyday color, I think. Let me know what do you think about this one. So far I do like the color. Probably it's not quite something that I would wear at work, but so far it's a nice shade. So let's try the next one, and the next one is the Pat McGrath, I believe. Let's see here on the lid. Let me look on the back and I will tell you. So the next one is Pat McGrath Labs in the shade Flash 3. So let me remove this one first, and then we'll see how that one looks. I heard many people raving about this brand. I didn't try it before. For me it's first time. So the Tom Ford removes very easy and it doesn't stain your lips. So if you wanna switch with another color, it's not gonna be a problem. Now let's try the Pat McGrath one. The packaging is so cute. I will leave the price on the screen because I didn't have the chance to check the prices. I filmed this video, actually it came in my mind 3 minutes before filming my samples of the week, because I was getting ready for the samples of the week and I say why not. Let's see the Pat McGrath. This is a little bit more darker than the Tom Ford, and let me swatch this one. And to me, as formula, feels a little bit more dry, but not in a bad way. It's not as creamy as the Tom Ford one. So here is the Pat McGrath in Flash 3, a little bit darker, a little bit more darker than the other one. I feel like it's a matte color. It doesn't dry your lips, but for me I think it's a little bit too dark. But it's a great shade if you like to use, if you used to use this color. It's a pretty nice shade. I cannot tell you how long it lasts, because it's the first time when I'm trying a Pat McGrath lipstick. So so far this is the shade. Comparing with the Tom Ford, I think I like a little bit more the Tom Ford one. And now let's see the next one and the last one, which is Giorgio Armani, of course. And let me find that tiny guy. It is this one, and this is in the shade 50. No, I'm wrong, it's not 50. This is the, I was right, it's 501. So let me swatch this one. Very tiny. And as color, this one is between the other two, is this one right here. So let's remove the Pat McGrath and try this one. So the Pat McGrath removes very easy also, it doesn't stay in your lips. And let's try the Giorgio Armani, and then you let me know which one do you like more, and I'll let you know which one I like the most. So here is the Giorgio Armani one. So far I like the formula of this one, it's very creamy also. As formula, I think I like the Giorgio Armani and the Tom Ford in the same way as formula. As colors, I think I like the Tom Ford more, probably because I'm more into nudes, but I think all the three shades are pretty nice. So far this is the Giorgio Armani one, very easy to apply, very creamy and very comfortable to wear. So yeah, I like this one too. You let me know which one did you try, and which one did you like as shades, because you cannot tell about the formula. Let me know which shade do you like more, and let me know in the comments down below which shades do you think suits me more. So this was the first bottle of the lipsticks. We will have more for sure. I'm planning to keep this series for a long time, so we're gonna try whatever I can find in my collection or in the future boxes. So if you see something as lipsticks, mascara, concealers, foundation in my videos that we can put again one against another one to fight in this video, let me know and we'll do that. Also the next bottle of mascaras, it's gonna be a drugstore by your request, some drugstores mascara. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I will check my collection. Actually I bought a bunch of mascaras and I have them right here. I have a bag full, but the closest store that it's near to me, because I couldn't go too far, is the CVS, and they have mostly the L'Oreal ones. I was looking for one that my friend had suggested me to try, but they didn't even hear about that one, so I will try to find that one online. So that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time, appreciate your comments. Always love to talk with you in the comments down below. Don't forget to check the description box for open giveaways. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.